Will the pigeon graduate?
I have a hat.
Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. Scooty scoot, scooty scoot, scooty scoot.
Here I go.
Will the Pigeon Graduate? Words and Pictures by Mo Willems.
I had better graduate. I did the work. I paid attention to the little details. I took some big steps. Were there obstacles? Lots of them. Relax, bird. You've got this. You will graduate. Oh no!
What will happen then?
What will I do? Who will I be? How will I live? Will there be snacks? How will I face the unknown? I will have to be brave. So many steps. Ooh! I hope it's worth it.
Pigeon the.
Finally.
Congrats, Grad. You are ready for your next adventure.
Thank you. Am I really ready? I am.
Look!
Wow.
Wow, look at all of you. From our littlest friends who just graduated from preschool, all the way up to the big kids leaving elementary school. Today is a special day, a super special day. It's a day to celebrate all the amazing things you've learned. Remember when you first learned to tie your shoes? Or read a whole book all by yourself? Or maybe you finally figured out how to share your favorite toy without a single frown. Those are all huge accomplishments. You've worked so hard, you've made new friends, and you've learned so much. Every single one of you has a superpower, whether it's being super kind, super smart, super fast, or super good at telling jokes. So give yourselves a big cheer. We here at Reading Robinsons are so very proud of each and every single one of you. Keep learning, keep playing, and keep being the amazing kids you are. Congratulations, graduates.
Thanks for watching Reading Robinsons. Thank you so much for listening to the book. Like and subscribe and comment what was your favorite part. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep reading, and we'll see you next time.